Yeah, but the trail that I made out just goes to a dead end and comes back.
Oh yeah, you can go out to the left, and it just gives you a nice view of Whale Peak and all that stuff. It is, if you want to go out there, it's a nice view. Whatever you want to do. I think we can keep going. We got a lot of ground to make up, so I think we should keep going.
This is going to be fun for the forerunners here. It's kind of rutted out pretty good.
All right.
I think they're like 35s.
Really? On the left? On the 80?
Mm-hmm.
How much are those? Those 37s?
I think so.